This guy almost just ran into the Aventador, dude. Oh my god. Yo! Stop! Dude, it sounds like it's gonna blow up. Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. We are in the city of Sen. We are in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to Monterey Car Week, and we gotta go catch a flight in right now. So let's go. Well, in cheap flight fashion, my flight got delayed, and now we're on the top of a parking garage in Nevada, and we got some planes landing all over the place.
Many hours later.
Too many flights, too many hours, but we got the Dubai R8, we got the M3, we got the 720, and the RSQ8 over here. In matching specs, which is absolutely insane. They look so good. And with that being said, we're going to be cruising to Monterey Car Week with the whole convoy, with all the cars. We're hopping in the RSQ8. They did not bring Ruby, as you know. I did a backflip in her. But these cars do look mighty fine. We're going to get some rollers and get some good shots, so yeah. This right here is the convoy to Monterey Car Week. We have the R8, which is a Dubai wrapped patrol car. We have the M3, the E92, and then the 720 with the matching RSQ8, which is our media car. I was hanging out that window, but pretty sick set of cars, do say myself. I'm not gonna lie, I can't stop looking at this lineup. It's just so nice. Dude, the road presence of this R8, it's actually kind of insane. I can't get over it. This M3 though is absolutely insane. We're gonna hop back into the RSQ6. Q8. Day 2 of Car Week, and we have some insane cars. We have a Cessa Elemento, an Elva, a P1, a P1 HDK, which is absolutely insane. Both in the matching Golf liveries. The P1, I've seen this all over TikTok, but this one is just absolutely insane. Like, you cannot get over this. Oh, the black, it's a P1 GT, but P1 HDK. It's kind of the same thing, but oh, dude, that rear wing is so much bigger than the actual P1 in the Golf livery, and it's actually just insane. I mean, it is insane seeing a Cessa Elemento with the hood off. Look at this kid, car spotter kid over here.
Oh yeah. What's up, guys?
Why are you running away?
Running away.
As you remember, that's Nick. He owns the G80, but now he owns the Dubai R8 that we've been with for like the past 2 days. But dude, seeing a Cessa Elemento alone, but seeing it pulled apart is actually insane. Now the Cessa's right here, and I'm pretty sure this is the only one in the US, which is absolutely insane. It has Montana plates, but if we look right behind us is the front bumper, which is just, it's just a whole monocoque carbon. This is insane. Seeing the inner workings of the Cessa Elemento, it's something you will never get to see. This is only Car Week. I really can't get over this P1 GT. It's just, it's actually insane. Like the full black with the silver wheels, like it literally makes the Golf one look like it nerfs it so much. I know we just saw a P1, 2 P1s in Elva, but this AMG, this color on it is, I can't get over it. This color is absolutely insane, and right next to it, I don't know exactly if my vision is correct, but I'm pretty sure I'm seeing double of each car. This is insane. Double dual spec, same spec F50, and then the MC12, which is insane. I've only seen one other one of these in, what is it, Arizona, and it was an all blue one, but these are proper. These are some proper cars. Gotta love Car Week. The F50s and the MC12s, you have the CGT right here, and then a black on black Veyron, which absolutely looks stunning. Seeing these cars, I haven't seen too many Veyrons, but this is definitely one of the cleaner ones I've seen. Black on black with black interior, triple black spec. Definitely a Batman car. Absolutely insane. The MC12. Seeing both of these driving on the road together is absolutely nuts. I haven't seen one in so long. It is so crazy seeing one again, but I saw the MC12 race car, not the actual, just the MC12. I mean, it's based off the race car, but look at this Veyron leaving as well. That is insane. The black on black Veyron and the black on black CGT. Always something crazy to see here in Spanish Bay. We got Charizard from the we got the Aventador in this amazing birthday scandal, I'm pretty sure. And right over here, we got a Revuelto, and this color shift is absolutely insane. 2 Bugatti Chiron, white and black Bugatti Chiron, and the 300 plus Chiron in blue. These are absolutely insane. Out of nowhere, we got the Era HH Stradvan car. We shot this last year, maybe around 2. Hopping out of the E92 M3, we got the Aventador, the LP6. Oh, it's the LP700, I lied. But this is absolutely so sick. We got the GT4 right there. Do the whole supercar rally. Today's been very, very epic. We've seen Stradvan, we shot with Tanner Fox. I don't think I filmed that, but I'll put some clips here. But Tanner's super sick. This guy almost just ran into the Aventador, dude. Oh my god. Dude, it sounds like it's gonna blow up. Oh my god, it might actually blow up. Dude, this is insane. What is this lady doing? Yo, it sounds like it's about to explode. That is insane. Yo, it sounds like it's about to blow up. Yeah, like, what? Dude, the whole front end is smashed in. I would do that too. If you look over here, we have matching specs, 720 RSQ8, and they look fucking proper. This is definitely a pretty neat rally. This rally is absolutely sick. We got in a hall here. We got Nick. We got everyone here. We got some people trying to follow us as well. We got some insane, insane cars here. We're hopping back into the M3 so we can go all the way through. And just like that, we get the whole rally behind us. Dude, this rally looks absolutely sick. This is that. I know Kyle's gonna like that. I'm saying that a lot. But like, oh my gosh, dude, black on black GT4 is absolutely insane. Right next to the Aventador, the LP700. Gotta love that, how that makes sense. A little bit later in the in and out, and we got the Regera here, the P1 in this beautiful spec with the like the GT kind of styled wheels or the LM wheels. And dude, the P1 here is a full carbon Regera here. It is absolutely nuts. Also out of nowhere, Tanner Fox's GTR. For all my scooter riders on the channel, you know this thing is sick. The GTR, this is iconic. Tanner Fox is iconic, and this wrap on it is actually really, really sick. I'm not sure if it's wrap or paint, but it does look sick as fuck. Tanner is such a great guy. We did a shoot with him earlier today. That's gonna come out probably way before this video, but look at that. Day 2 of car weekend, we got an insane Mercy SV in all white from We're Curated. This thing is absolutely stunning. You gotta love the Mercies and the Mercy SVs. They just, you know, they just hit so different. Insane wide body walk up the door, and then we have a Bugatti Chiron and a lot of other things under the covers. I'm pretty sure this is the blue Zonda, if I'm not mistaken. We got the Pagani Huayra, and then something special over here. This might be the Zonda R. I'm not too sure. Actually, judging from those exhaust tips, it's definitely a Zonda, or a Huayra R. The tow truck with an F50 on it. I wonder what the story here is, but that is a sight to see. Birthday Scandal, Aventador Roadster. It's absolutely insane. The LP8 or 780, and this Revuelto in this amazing British green, and the Griswold's car. Always something special at here is Spanish Bay. You got an F40 and another one right over there. This thing is properly wild. It's a 993, but it's like a CR version of the 993. It looks like the early generation Speedsters. This thing is absolutely wild. It's actually Revuelto for days. You got a white one over there. You got this British Racing green one. You have this silver one, and then you have another silver one over here, right here. But a lot of them have these color options. If we look right over here, we have something very special. This SF90. This has to be like a 1.1, $1.2 million spec. Look at the interior on that. All the stitching, all the blue. This color too, this color shift is insane. I don't know what it is this year, but I just keep seeing double. I really need to get my eyes checked. But it's the exact same spec Urus. It's a Urus SE. I'm pretty sure it's the electric one. But these are exactly the same spec. Like, to a T, I see no differences. But pretty sick in the lead. Dual matching SP3s is actually really sick, though. When you think 2 SP3 Daytonas isn't crazy enough, We have a third one, a blue on blue. That one is absolutely insane looking. Well, look at what just pulled up. A Revuelto. We gotta go check this thing out. Told that is a Revuelto, and behind it is a very, very special SP3. But first, they're gonna move the Revuelto. This Revuelto is actually pretty cool. The whole rear carbon deck is absolutely insane. As you can see, modern day cloudy skies, not even sunny skies here. With bronze wheels as well. Look at that, CCVs as well. Miles would be happy. That rumble, you gotta know it's something special. SP3 Daytona that is absolutely so loud. I have no clue if you can hear me right now. That is absolutely so loud. I have no clue if you can hear me right now. But that SP3 is absolutely insane. It's in this beautiful green color. We're seeing it in about 45 seconds. And this is the car straight out of the trailer in this beautiful green with this amazing interior. But like, it is absolutely insane, the spec of this car. So we got a key to a Lamborghini, not just any Lamborghini, the brand new Revuelto, and this spec on this Revuelto is absolutely insane. Another door to this Lamborghini Revuelto, absolutely seamless. Look at this beautiful white interior. The Lamborghini headrest stitching in the black there. This Revuelto is absolutely insane. This Lamborghini Revuelto is absolutely stunning. Like, when do you get an opportunity like this other than Car Week? Full carbon top, full carbon. This is probably one of the highest spec Revueltos that I've ever seen. Carbon absolutely everywhere, all over the dash. You still got even the tags from factory, even the blue stitching. How tempting it is to peel this off is insane. But this Revuelto is absolutely sick. Also, if you guys never seen a Revuelto, this has this passenger display that shows you the gear, the mileage, even the horsepower if you really want. But this car is absolutely stunning. I love the Revuelto. I wish I could put down the front end lift, but I can't do it in hybrid mode, and I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to scare all the Ferrari guys from this Lamborghini V12, if you know what I mean. But with that being said, we got to close these doors and pack up shop because we got our photos, we got our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I mean, what beats a Ferrari, right? I kid you not, this is, oh my god, out of absolutely nowhere, an Enzo Ferrari. This Enzo is absolutely insane. Seeing an Enzo next to the SP3, you can kind of see where they come from. The SP3 and the Enzo are actually pretty similar. This is a crazy take, but the Enzo, come on dude, it's an Enzo. They're absolutely gorgeous. We saw this a bit earlier, the Liberty Walk Aventador. This thing is absolutely mental. Full carbon fiber front lip, side skirts, rear deck lid. You get the rear diffuser as well. And this thing is absolutely beautiful with the 17-mile sunset. You gotta love it. You got M2s and then Maybachs bouncing. Hell yeah! This thing is sick. Oh, bro. That is insane. 40SX. That is insane. And as soon as they came, they're leaving the Regera and the P1. They're getting out of here. This is a crazy spec Regera with the red pinstripe, but this P1. Orange on orange with the LM wheels. Absolutely insane. Oh my god, that's a good way to call it tonight. I'll see you guys in the next one.